Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm doing a ponytail tutorial, and if you like this video after watching it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share and comment. And without wasting time, let's get started. Starting off, I'm going to spray some water all over my hair because my hair feels really dry. Then I'm going to use this Candle Organ Oil Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream to moisturize my hair. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my comb to section out the back of the hair, and I'm also going to come to the front and use my comb to section the front into 3 parts. This hairstyle is very easy and simple to do. You definitely understand if you watch this video carefully. Then I'm going to go ahead and use this black castor miracle gel to slick down and define my edges. So after sectioning out the hair, I'm going to use a rubber band to hold it. I'm going to twist the hair out a little bit. Then I'm going to connect it with the other hair that I parted. And I'm going to repeat the same step with the rest of the hair. I really don't know how to explain this, but if you watch carefully, you definitely understand. It's really easy. Finally done with the front. Now for the back, I'm going to apply moisturizer and water so it will be easy for me to slick down. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the hair into a bun. I'm going to tie my hair and leave it for some hours to dry. Then I'm going to come back and show you guys how I attach the ponytail. So guys, now it's time to take off the head wrap. Wow, this is neat. Oh my god, I wasn't even expecting this hair to come out this beautiful. So now I'm going to go ahead and attach the ponytail. This is the ponytail that I'm going to be using. If you want me to make a video on how I achieve this, please do let me know in the comment section down below. So guys, this is all for this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share and comment. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.